Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words folk and fork. Let's look at each one individually. Folk, noun, can be used as an adjective. Noun, people in general, a group of individuals sharing a common culture or background. Adjective, relating to the traditional culture or customs of a community. For example, the folk in this town are very friendly. She enjoys listening to folk music from various cultures. The festival celebrates the folk traditions of our ancestors. Fork, noun or verb. Noun, a utensil with two or more prongs used for eating, serving food, or holding food while cutting. Verb, to divide into branches or separate into different paths. For example, please pass me the fork so I can eat my salad. At the next intersection, the road will fork into two separate paths. Use a fork to fluff the rice before serving. To summarize, folk refers to people in general or cultural traditions associated with specific communities. Fork refers to a utensil used for eating or serving food. It can also describe the action of dividing into branches or parts. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.